and chamfer foil. There you go. Cute 30-second on this one. Also this one as well. This color is so cool. Adeline helped me with this. Something stuck on that nails. This will not come off. All right, so I'm gonna open these two colors. Maybe I should do a pink as well. Do you have pink? It looks like we don't have a pink here, but we have some green. All right. What are we doing on this one right here? And try to get the, oh, why is my I think it's my butterflies got ripped off. Okay, I'm gonna do her right here. And you feel your hand is got a lot of oil, like my hand right now, using this. Because it's so, it curve right into your nails, the C curve of the nails. It's rub it really nicely. Chamfer this. One is chamfer everything. Next ones, I'm going to using this collection. Same thing, different flowers. I think different different collections. I mean, same collections, but it different foil. Number 24. This one is really cool and stunning with the flowers and butterflies. You get everything in that one. And then also clear as well. Transfer everything. All right.
Luna's talking about how she got her 40,000 giveaway. She sits right next to her, but she don't want to open it yet. She want to make a video for everyone.
Oh, you should do live video, Nuna, so we can see that. You just make it so like excited. I can't wait. All right, so we're gonna go into the condensed glue gel. Nuna, you should do a video. We're gonna tune in. Where my condensed glue gels? I need my condensed glue gel, please. Thank you. All right, condensed glue gel. Oh, hold on. I will do something like this more. I want to add more, and let me add some more of my butterflies. So here's you go. If you want your chamfer foil is really cool and stunning already, and then you are not like settled for that, it's really cool. You can layer your butterflies on the top of your chamfer foil. I will show you how. Can I get that new? You can do this one, or you can do this. Can I get this one as well? Any of this you want. You don't have to. You can layer your butterflies. You can do this butterflies, or you can do any of these butterflies. Let's see how make a difference for us. You can do maybe cute smaller butterflies right there. This one is so cute. It's always, this one is only catching my eyes. I don't know why. she's too fancy for me. All right, let me see. If you have a smaller one, we can do smaller one. All right, she's so cute right here. Here you go. I took one from here, numbers 1. All right. Doesn't matter. You can lay her right there. You can like let me see if I can find smaller ones for us. Or the half. Oh yes, and then you told me that I can cut in half. And or no, I have her half right here. It's half a butterflies right there. I want her to be in here. Can you get me my X-Acto knife there? If you want to cut them using your X-Acto knives, it's gonna cut. Oh my god, this one is so cute. This one is so cute. Let me see if I can cut half of this. I will cut half of this. Okay. There you go. Everything good? It's okay. You can do her half right there. And then on this, I'm gonna do some crystal placements. And dragon scowl. So move on to this one. I think I'm gonna do is this cute butterflies on this one. Look, I'm covered the flowers. So I'm not gonna care for the flowers. Let's see if the other half, this half right there. This half that I just using it. Oh yeah. Okay, I think it's good. You can use that butterflies. It looks so cool. You can also using like hollow butterflies as well. So there are 9 of them for you to choose. And I using this one earlier. I'm so obsessed with this. I can't wait. Can't wait for doing this in the next few live videos. So I am going to close this tips so then they won't poke me. Now I am going to using is condensed glue gels. So can I get this one right here? So I'm gonna do this one is with encapsulating. This is for Marisa. Is seeing encapsulating your glitter. Okay, so here you're gonna do one layer of condensed glue gel first, and you will go ahead and I'm using like shiny skies right now, but also you can do any different loose glitters, like which is if you have one of the loose glitters from your press-on and glue-on treasure box. I think that will be cool and stunning as well. Oh, where is that? Why is it going up like that? So now is the time for you to place them in. And you're gonna flash clear it for 30 seconds. Can I get some touch of colors too? If you want to stay out of like completely, oh, right here. If you want to stay out like completely out of like, just don't want to be exactly the same what the transfer foil, and you can create your own stuff in here. And I am going to use one colors right there, my twin tip brush. Get just a little bit. This is for all of you who like the clients don't want crystal, for instance, right? So you can do something and then just a little bit crystal, but then want some more stuff. All right, so now you're gonna key it for 30 seconds first. 30-second flash key. Oh, that's awesome. You get the glitter on the treasure box. Thank you so much, Nuna. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for the love and support. We wouldn't be here without every single of you, so this is every single night is special for all of you. So then we can create a lot of different looks together, and I can't wait to do this one. What do you want to see on this cute one? It's gonna be come along. I have an idea, but I want to hear your ideas as you want me to create it for you. All right, so now what you're gonna do is, again, it's for encapsulate. You're gonna using condensed glue gel again.
Very quick, we have 2 minutes left.
What, 2 minutes left? So we're doing condensed glue gels again and no wipe top coat. Then we can place a crystal on it. So we are going to apply this, and in the meantime, it's set. Your glitter set in here already. So we do condensed glue gel again, blend it out nicely, and it's so thick density. So it will encapsulate your glitters nicely without have lumpy and bumpy and anything at all. No wet top coat. And if you want to put crystals on, that's the time for you to do it on.
Right now we're gonna end the live. We'll be right back.
Okay, so be back with me. I will be here waiting for everyone.
So now